This is a video of the field production of a facial cleanser processing plant. The tube filling and sealing machine can fill tubes diameter 1260 mm. The filling capacity of a single tube is 250 milliliters, and the production capacity is about 40 to 50 tubes per minute. The working process is automatic tube feeding, liquid filling, tube sealing and batch numbers embossing, cutting and discharging. It is widely used in cosmetics, food, and daily chemical products. Different sizes, shapes, capacities, and designs of tubes can be used on one machine by changing the mold. For more details, please feel free to contact us.